Hello, this is Juan with King Credit. Give them a in the first 30 days. Happy holiday to everyone. Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm going to show you something that y'all going to love, okay? Look at it, December 22nd, okay? December 22nd, just a few days ago, before Christmas, okay? 2 account negative. You see two late payment is coming from 2 different accounts. If you go down, look at this. I want you to see this, okay? Office of the IT Gen. I'm gonna show you what is that. $95,294 from child support. Okay? Child support. And then we have a Capital One. It's a charge-off account. $95,000 child support. Look at this, December 22nd. I'm gonna refresh it today, okay? Today's date, the 26th. What we talking about? What? 7 days, 6 days. Today, December 26th. Boom, 53 points she jumped. Wow, look at this. It's gone. It's deleted. It's deleted out of the credit profile. It's all done. 95,000 child support removal. This is what we do. We don't play. We give you a result. Make your Christmas your credit.